Welcome to another episode of Edu-Tech. Today we are going to review iPhone 16 Pro Max, which was released recently. It is the latest flagship phone from Apple. It's just going to be a normal unboxing looking at the software and then some of the physical features, what has changed from the previous versions. A more detailed one will follow later. Let's go. Okay, now let's start by opening the box and see what we have inside. Turn it over. I think there is a little plastic here. The other one has been removed. Great. So when you open it, pick up the phone, put that on the side for a second. Now inside the box, we only have one thing, that is the charging cable, which is of good quality. It looks like this is going to be a standard one, and it is USB-C to USB-C, as you can see on both sides here. All right, you put that aside. We no longer have the Apple stickers. They are absent. It looks like it's going to be a standard thing for Apple nowadays. So the stickers are not there, and there is no brick. That is the thing you just plug into the wall to put your cable on. Let's put those things aside and grab the phone. So that is the phone. It really looks very nice, and let's start by opening that up. We put that away. So the phone is basically 6.9 inches. It is the biggest iPhone ever made by Apple to date. It has slimmer bezels, as you can see. It is made of titanium glass. It is built of titanium glass, I would say. And then it is water and dust resistant as well. Apple claimed that this phone is 50% stronger than any other phone that they ever made. And now let's look at the physical features. You have the silence mode button here, the volume up and down rack, the SIM card slot here. Then on here you have the power button, and then you have an action button, which we will talk of later on. Looking at the camera of this phone, there are massive upgrades to the camera. We have 48 megapixels on the main camera, and then there is 12 megapixels periscope telephoto camera on it as well. And the ultra wide camera has been upgraded to 48 megapixel shooter, so it's going to be some fantastic photos taken by this phone. Looking at the software, this phone comes out of the box with iOS 18, which is the latest software from Apple. And one good thing about the iOS 18 is the fact that it has massive customization possibilities. We will look into all those details later on. It does not come with Apple Intelligence straight from the box. Apple Intelligence will definitely be part of the upgrades, which will also run on previous iPhone models as well. So it will come through upgrades. The battery life, looking at the battery of this phone, according to Apple, it has the best battery life ever. The best battery life ever. This is subject to testing and subject to individual use, what apps you are running. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max. Obviously, according to Apple, again, they claim that it has 33 hours of running life. And again, this is subject to testing and depending on which apps are running. This phone can charge from 0 to 30% in just 30 minutes. So that's really good. Now, let's look at the thing that is the newest on this phone. That is the action button at the bottom right hand corner of the phone. The action button is mainly meant to control the camera, so you can swipe around it, you can press it depending on how deep your press is. It can bring up certain functions or certain things you could tell the camera to do. But it is worth noting that when you press this action button on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it launches the camera straight. For example, if you are using TikTok or you are on YouTube or you are on any other app, the moment you press the action button, the camera will be launched. Meaning you could be in the middle of a call or on Spotify or TikTok or any other app. You just press the action button, it will launch the camera straight on. I think one great benefit of that is the fact that you will not miss to take photos, action photos. Those are the main physical features when you want to look at it day one. Looking at the unboxing, I'm going into do the actual testing of the phone, look at all the claims that have been made by Apple in terms of the battery life. I'll take some photos from previous versions like iPhone 16 Pro or 15 Pro Max and compare it to this, and obviously also compare it to other flagship phones as well. Stay tuned for those reviews later on. Today's one is just meant for the physical unboxing and seeing it, and then you can decide whether you want to upgrade or not. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the detailed reviews. See ya.